Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enter your Acura MDX radio code. If your radio displays code after a battery change or power interruption, don't worry, it's a standard security feature. The first step is to locate your unique 5-digit radio code. You can often find this on an anti-theft card in your owner's manual, or on a small sticker inside the glove box, door jamb, or even the trunk. This code is essential to reactivate your audio system. If you cannot find the 5-digit radio code, you will need your radio's serial number. To retrieve this, first turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. Make sure the radio itself is turned off. Now, press and hold down both the number 1 and number 6 radio preset buttons simultaneously. While holding them, turn the radio unit on. The display will then show an 8-digit serial number, which you should write down. With your radio's 8-digit serial number in hand, you can now obtain the actual 5-digit radio code. The easiest way is to visit the official Acura Radio Navigation Code website. You will need to enter your vehicle identification number, a phone number, and the 8-digit radio serial number you just retrieved. If online retrieval isn't an option, you can always call Acura customer service. Provide them with your vehicle's information and the serial number, and they will assist you in getting the correct code. Now for the final step, entering your 5-digit radio code. Turn on your radio, and you should see the word code displayed on the screen. Using the radio's preset buttons, carefully enter each of the 5 digits of your code. As you press each number, you will notice the word code spelling itself out, one letter at a time. After entering the 5th and final digit, your Acura MDX radio will automatically unlock and resume its normal operation, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.